How to remove rust. Autodoc tips. The most common causes of corrosion. Rust appears in these areas most often. Areas damaged by gravel or stones from the road. Areas that have been poorly repaired. Components prone to corrosion. Moreover, a humid environment as well as sudden temperature changes and anti-icing chemicals increase the risk of rust. It's important to bear in mind that even the protective anti-corrosion coating loses its properties over time. Do you want your car to look flawless for as long as possible? Join Autodoc Club to receive daily repair and maintenance tips from professionals for free. Things you may need: masking film and tape, a spatula, a set of sandpaper with varying grain sizes, putty, primer, degreaser, polishing paste, rust remover, paint in the right shade, varnish. General procedure. 1. Sand the affected area down to the metal layer. Use coarse sandpaper for this. 2. Read the rust remover product's instructions and apply it to the area. 3. Mix the putty with the hardener according to the instructions.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
Use the mixed product to even out the surface. 4. Once it's completely dry, sand the surface down to the same level as the paintwork. 5. If necessary, repeat steps 3 and 4 until the surface is flat. 5. Cover the areas that don't need to be treated with masking film and tape. Degrease and prime the area. 6. Sand the surface with fine grit sandpaper until it gets matte. Use water to wet the surface and sandpaper every so often. 7. Use a degreaser and then apply a few coats of paint to match the car body color. 8. Apply varnish if necessary. 8. When it's completely dry, polish the restored area of the body. How to prevent corrosion. Inspect the body and underbody of the vehicle regularly to detect metal damage at an early stage. Try to remove any dirt on the surface of the body immediately. Treat the components with anti-corrosion products. We've shown you the easiest way to remove rust so that you can save money on car repairs. If you know any other tricks, please share them in the comments below this video. You can find even more useful content at autodoc.club.